In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save images on Gmail on PC with the new update. If you've recently noticed some changes in Gmail's interface and aren't quite sure how to save those important images, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's walk through the process step by step to make it easy and clear for you. First things first, you'll want to open Gmail in your web browser. Simply type in the URL mail.google.com and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, locate the email that contains the image or images you want to save. It could be an email from a friend, a newsletter, or perhaps an important work email, but the key is to open that specific email to access the image. Now, on to locating the image itself. Gmail now presents images in two specific ways. You might see them as attachments, and these are typically located at the bottom of your email, marked with a familiar paperclip icon. Alternatively, images might also be embedded directly within the body of the message. This can be a bit tricky sometimes, as they blend seamlessly with the text, but with a little scrolling, you should find your image. If the image you want to save is an attachment, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the email. Here, you'll see thumbnail images. Hover your cursor over the desired image thumbnail. Upon doing so, you'll notice a small menu appear, and this is where you'll find the option to download. Click on the download button. The icon looks like a downward arrow. The image will be saved automatically to your computer's downloads folder, making it convenient and easy to find later. Here's a handy tip. If you have multiple images attached and want to download them all, there's an option for that too. Look for the download all attachments button. Clicking this saves all the images in one go, packaged neatly into a zip file for easy storage. Once downloaded, just right click on the zip file and select Extract All to unpack it and access each individual image. This tip can save you a lot of time, especially if you frequently receive emails with multiple attachments. Remember, whether dealing with a single image or multiple ones, Gmail's interface is designed to make this process as straightforward as possible, especially with these updates. I hope this helps you get the images you need saved conveniently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the channel for more tutorials and tips.